What is up guys, Mr. Azim is back with main highlights on Apple's 29 September keynote. That event was really so much fun watching it, and here in this video I will be showing you all of the newly launched devices and every upgrade to previous Apple products. So let's get straight into it. So at the number first we have this Apple Arcade. So first thing that was unveiled in that Apple event is the Apple Arcade. Yes guys, this is actually a new gaming service launched by Apple developers, and this Apple Arcade will have many new games in partnership with best game developers all around the world. So this is going to be fun that we will see something new in case of gaming on the iPhone 11 lineup, and this Apple Arcade will be launched on September 19 with 1 month free trial, and after that you will be charged just $4.99 per month. And the second thing that was announced in Apple event is the Apple TV Plus that will be available on Apple TV, and you will get 1 year free Apple TV Plus if you buy these new devices from Apple. And this Apple TV Plus will be available from November 1st, and it will cost you same as of Apple Arcade, just like $4.99 per month. So I would say that the prices of both Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus are insane, and that's cool to see again something new from Apple this year. And the third product that was announced on the Apple event is all new iPad 7 that will have the Apple's A10 SoC chipset. That is a good chipset, but we have seen this in the models lower than iPhone 10 lineup. This iPad 7 will have 10.2 inches of display with 3.5 million pixels. It will be available in 3 finishes of silver, gold and space gray with a starting storage of 32 GB. Users will also have the option to purchase the tablet with 128 GB of storage. $329 starting price tag is for the Wi-Fi variant of the tablet, and the LTE variant will set you back by $459. And this iPad 7 will be 2x faster than the PC or laptops. Here are some main features of this iPad, like multitasking enhanced, new floating keyboard, new editing tools, 10.2 inches of display, 100% recycled body, and the price is $329. And the fourth product that was launched in the keynote is Apple Watch Series 5. As we have seen Apple Watches on almost every person's hands wearing them, Apple Watches have been so much tech efficient products ever as like of iPhones, and these can calculate almost every of your movement like heartbeat and much more. So Apple is back with new Apple Watch 5 series that has really cool feature of Retina always on display, so that you would not need to touch the screen every time to turn on the display. And the next cool feature is regarding battery, that this Apple Watch series will provide you stronger hardware along with the battery time of 18 hours, long lasting battery capacity. Another amazing feature is built-in compass, so you can add it to your watch face and see the current directions. Then some safety features were introduced, like emergency calling, that is also available on almost all smartphones, but we haven't seen this on any else watch before this Apple. Discussing details of Apple Watch Series 5. So Apple Watch 5 with GPS will cost you $399, while with GPS plus cellular it will cost you $499, and it will be available from September 20. And the last thing in this Apple keynote you have been waiting is here, the iPhone 11 series. So first of all we will be talking about the iPhone 11's design, and it's all aluminum design and made up of glass from sides, and iPhone will be available in 6 colors: purple, yellow, black, green, white and red. This is also amazing to see some new colors from Apple this year for new iPhone 11 lineup. And this iPhone 11 will have 6.1 inches of liquid retina display. And then it comes to camera. So like every year upgradation, this year Apple has just made its most focus on cameras than hardware. iPhone 11 will have dual rear camera setup in square shaped structure, and first camera will be of 12 megapixel with 1.4 aperture, second one will be of 12 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and 120 degree ultra wide angle lens. And we will also have the portrait mode with some new studio lighting options, and back cameras will include 4K video recording at 60 fps, slow motion, time lapse, cinematic video stabilization and much more, and also enhanced night mode. And best thing is this, that we also get the 4K and slow motion options even in the front 12 megapixel camera lens. That's just amazing, as we have not seen this feature on any other smartphone before this iPhone 11 lineup. So it's really unique feature. All new iPhone 11 models will be running on brand new A13 Bionic chip. It's even faster than the chips in S10 Plus, Huawei P30 Pro and Google Pixel 3 models, and it will also be highest GPU for gaming purposes. And then here comes the iPhone 11's battery. The iPhone 11's battery will be 1 hour more than iPhone 10R, and iPhone 11 will be water resistant for up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. And this iPhone 11 will start from the price tag of $699. And then we have these two iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max models, and this iPhone is first iPhone ever that is named as Pro for its Pro features. And we will see the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max in 4 different colors: gold, space gray, midnight green and silver. Their display is going to be the Retina XDR display, super display that will give you true colors. And if we talk a bit about these iPhone models batteries, then battery of iPhone 11 Pro will be 4 hours more than iPhone 10s that was launched recent year, and battery of iPhone 11 Pro Max will be 4 hours more than that of iPhone 10s Max. And then we have some camera details of these models. So these will be the Pro cameras named after their model numbers, and we will see the triple camera setup at the back of iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. So first one will be of 12 megapixel wide sensor with 26mm focal length, and it will have image stabilization with 1.8 aperture. And second one will be of 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, 52mm focal length and 2.0 aperture. And third lens will be of 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 13mm focal length, 2.4 aperture and 120 degree wide lens. And the cameras of iPhone 11 Pro Max are also same as like of iPhone 11. And here is a 4K video shot on iPhone 11 Pro by a cinematographer commissioned by Apple, and this really looks stunning. This whole video was recorded and edited on iPhone 11 Pro, so it seems that iPhone 11 Pro will have the best editing tools also. And lastly, we will be talking about the pricing. Then iPhone 11 Pro will cost you almost $999, and iPhone 11 Pro Max will be priced at $10.99 US, and here prices are really high. So pre-orders will start from Friday at 5 a.m. and phones will start shipping from 20th of September. That's all what we got from Apple's keynote of September. So stay tuned by subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next one.